Introducing Futurista's Chimera 5-in-1 Ultra Versatile Cable. With its multi-interchangeable interfaces that makes your life easier with just one cable. Charge your Android or Apple devices, cameras, headphones, and more by switching from Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB in a matter of seconds. Frustrated of seeing a bundle of mess? It's time to get rid of all the annoying cables. Whether you're studying in the library, chilling on a Saturday afternoon, listening to music while commuting, or just enjoying a cup of coffee while working. With its incredibly light form factor, super fast charging, this ultra versatile cable will get almost any job done. From charging your Android devices such as Samsung, Huawei, to Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Or transferring data between devices either from your camera or smartphone. Out for a walk and this happens? Never let a dead battery stop you from enjoying your favorite music. Just take it out and plug it in and you're good to go. What's more, the USB-C on the other end allow you to charge and transfer data between any USB-C laptop like the latest MacBook. Time to say goodbye to your dongle. Is there anything this cable can't do? Oh, and did I mention phone-to-phone charging? Forgot your power bank? No worries! With Chimera, you will never have to worry again when you're out with your mates. For your sake, we made the cable so durable you won't have to worry about broken cables again. The only cable you will ever need, the Chimera Cable. Back us today and help bring this project to life.